My name is Lawrence Lwanga and I'm a final year law student at the Nelson Mandela University. My experience with 123tutors has been beyond amazing for two reasons. One, I think a lot of the uncertainty around the coronavirus has led to a really peculiar academic state for most people. And 123tutors and my tutor in particular has helped me to kind of lay some sort of consistency. So I believe their business model is really effective because one, you have the option of going online, and so long as you have a stable internet connection, your academic program can continue with some sort of normalcy, and that has been the highlight. I came across 123tutors at the time when I really needed some sort of consistency in order for me to understand my academic year and for me to be able to get some sort of forward momentum and progress. And I think the platform within itself was able to do that for me. Why would I suggest it to a friend? Simply because it's an additional aid to really cool academic processes and to really cool resources that you wouldn't have access to if you were just studying on it. And you also are able to swap out tutors should you not be happy with your particular tutor. And the amount of feedback they ask for is one that shows that they really aim to tailor make your learning experience to your particular needs and desires.